Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful design blanket. You can watch full videos on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to join this beautiful granny square. Okay, in this video I will show you two different stitching way for this joining square. I will show you step by step both of the stitching method. I will show you in this video. This blanket pattern video you can watch on my YouTube channel. For both of the link I will share you in the comment section. Let us start. In the comment section tell me about if you want to need a blanket edging. I will show you step by step different way and design for the blanket. Written pattern, free pattern link in the comment section and in the description box. In my previous video we have done and completed a square, granny square with puff flower motifs. Video you can watch on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you this blanket finishing touch. Make 8 squares this side 32 inches and 8 square this side. Make 1 row and same 8 row you will need 64 square. Total of this blanket we will need. How to join two squares together. In the middle chain start work. Here two chains, this chain count in this side and this chain count in this side, same. In the second chain and in the second chain here. Slip stitch and join together, and in the corner first stitch and this side the corner first stitch. Two stitches make together and join with a slip stitch. This side the second stitch in the corner and this side the second stitch here. Join together with the slip stitch. You can use any of way for this joining blanket. This is the simple and beginner way. I will teach you. If you want to need more ways, in the comment section tell me about. I will make another tutorial for joining squares. Here join together in the last corner middle chain and find this middle chain here. Make a slip stitch. And now start this square and in the square this chain, second chain, find together. And now make a slip stitch and start in the second stitch here. Start with a slip stitch, next square, continue work to the corner, join together these 4 squares. Okay, finish off this blanket. 8 square join in one row, 8 square in the second row, and then repeat 8 row and 8 squares in one row. Free patterns link in the description box and in the comment section you will find the free pattern of this blanket link. Okay, here we have completed and joined 4 squares together in this way. Join more squares to the same. Now I will show you the second method for joining squares. Let us start. Okay, let us start this daisy square blanket. You can watch on my YouTube channel. In the corner start work, here we have the 2 chains. Into the first chain and the next square the second chain, join together with a slip stitch, right side facing out, in the wrong side, join together. Okay, here make a chain 1. In the next back loop stitch, next square, and here in the back loop both of the stitches make a slip stitch. In the next back loop and the second square back loop, insert hook both of the back loop stitches and then make a slip stitch. Continue to the last corner stitch into back loop only, both stitches in the square make a slip stitch. Continue work, back loop in the next stitch and back loop in the next stitch, make a slip stitch together both of the stitches. Continue work to the last stitch of the corner on both sides, back loop in the next stitch of the square and back loop in the next stitch. Here both of the stitches make a slip stitch. Continue work to the last stitch. For joining square you can use a needle. Continue work to the last stitch, both of the squares together with the slip stitch, join together and then take the next square and continue work. Both of the stitches into back loop only, make a slip stitch across to the last stitch. Finish off this square, both of the corner last chain, first square and the last stitch, make a slip stitch and then finish off and take the next 2 square in the corner, finish off the last chain stitch and make a slip stitch. The daisy flower granny square blanket video you can watch on my YouTube channel. For more videos subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.